All of you don't move from your place. And side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for our national anthem.
Sing with loud sound.
All of you sing by yourself. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hands cover up, and side, hands up, clap your hands. And side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention.
Loudly, okay? Everybody, please sing this song loudly.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Loudly, loudly. 8, 9, 10. What about the sound? Louder. Go on. Yeah, kids. A bit louder. They are confused.
Hands covered up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down.
Do it together, everybody.
Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease. Now I'd like to welcome respected speakers to deliver their speech.
प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, सहप्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीभाइहरू सबैलाई मेरो हार्दिक नमस्कार। म राजु कुमार कक्षा 9 को छात्र आज हजुरहरूको सामूहिक कथा प्रस्तुत गर्न गइरहेको छु। मेरो कथाको शीर्षक रहेको छ ईश्वरको साथ। अब म केही समय खेरा फालिकन आफ्नो कथा सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु। ईश्वरको साथ कुनै ठाउँमा एउटा घना जङ्गल थियो। त्यो जङ्गलमा एउटा रुखमा दुईवटा परेवाको बच्चाहरू हुर्किँदै थिए। एक दिन एउटा सिकारीले बच्चालाई देख्यो र साथै आकाशमा उडिरहेको एउटा ठुलो बाँझले पनि तिनी बच्चालाई देख्यो। सिकारीले बच्चालाई मार्न धनुवान ताकेको बेला त्यो बाँझले पनि त्यो परेवाको बच्चालाई झम्टा मार्यो। बच्चाको प्राण सङ्कटमा परेको हुनाले ईश्वरले दुवैलाई सम्झेर कतैबाट एउटा सर्प आयो, सिकारीको खुट्टामा डस्यो अनि सिकारीले ताकेको बाण छुटेर बाँसले लाग्यो र बचेराहरूको प्राण बच्यो। यो कथाबाट हामीले असहायको साथ देवी देवता हुन्छन् भन्ने प्रेरणा हासिल गर्दछौँ। धन्यवाद।
And very warm good morning to you all, respected vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Nikki Samarandar from grade 8, standing here to deliver a short and sweet story on the topic of positive thinking. Once upon a time, a fashionable lady entered a footwear shop in search of a new pair of sandals for her use. She tried every samples around in the store, but none of them seemed to suit her interest. Disappointed, she was about to leave when she noticed a pair of shoes lying near the entrance. She put them on was delighted to find that the pair suited her perfectly. She inquired about the price. The manager told her it's free, you can use them. The lady insisted on paying the money. But the manager told her that it's the pair you had wore when you entered the store, and you removed them to try new shoes. Now you found the virtues of your own shoes and was content. The moral of the story is that the thing we are in search of is within us or with us. Thank you.
And very warm good morning to you all, respected principals, vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends.
Directly, just get help and tell, eh?
Okay, so, namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me Niyaz Shrestha from grade 7, standing in front of you to deliver my memorable day. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my memorable day goes like this. Life is full of memories. Bad memories can only be remembered for a while, but good memories can be remembered for a lifetime. My memorable day was when I went to Chitwan with my family. It was on Jet 18, 2018. That day I woke up early in the morning at 5:30 in morning and did all my regular walks and wore all my dresses. And I was ready to go. We booked our cab. Now we were ready to go. We reached at our picnic spot at 10 a.m. in the morning. We visited all the places that we could. We were about to stay there for 3 days, but due to some problem, we had to return back to our home. On the second day, we had to return the next day, but it was one of my favorite memories because I got my time to be close with my family and got a incredible learning experience truly, and that was about my memorable day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hands cover up, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention, stand at ease. Now to provide some information, I would like to welcome our vice principal.
Thank you, Kajal. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Ryan, be active. Hands side. Hands up. Nikisa, be active. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Yes, the children, they have got very lovely stories. God is present, or he can come in any form. Only visiting in the temple and touching the forehead in the leg of a stone doesn't matter. God is present everywhere, can help you in your difficulties. Next one, we have got our own ability. But what to do? We want to compare with others. Somebody they say, oh, you look like Salman Khan. You look like Sadhu Khan. You look like Kader Khan. Why? You have got your own identity. Maintain your identity. There is no one who can be compared with you. Remember, to be unique. Maintain your identity yourself. You must not be compared with others. The qualities present in you are not present in others. Explore them. Is that clear or not? So you are capable. Everybody possesses 100% potentiality. But how much is your effort? If you give 20% effort, your outcome will be 20% only. When you give 40% effort, 40% only. In science we have learned, no? There is input work, accordingly there is output work. But in science, even when you use the machine, even if the input work is 100%, there is no output 100%, because some of the work is reduced by friction. Your matter is the same. Your input is not 100%, and you expect 100% output. So please try to give 100% input. Then there is no doubt you will deserve 100% output. First, input. For that, there must be concentration, focus, no distraction, and don't copy any answers from your friend. You can get help, but asking copy and filling the paper, that is useless. You are not going to be smart. At that time, God also cannot help you. The God which is present inside your body also becomes angry and says, what a nonsense person is here. Make your God happy and do something better. Attention, cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at it. No rhythmic sound is heard. Attention, stand at it. So today is 16th of Phalgun 2018, and we have already informed about vaccination. At first, the vaccination program will be conducted in junior block. After completion of that, they will come here. And children, we will take you in line systematically. At first, class 4 they will go. When the work of class 4 is over, then we'll take class 5, class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You must show your discipline everywhere. And don't forget to communicate in English. Don't push your friends. Wait for your turn. Be obedient. Is that clear or not? Is that clear? They became like a statue, huh? No response, nothing at all. What happened? Attention. Cover up. Side. Up. Clap together. There must be competition among the classes. Which class can clap much louder sound, right? Yeah, class 9, I think it is smart class, see? How louder? Hands side, hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. The march time. Do it together. Today there is no music. You have to make rhythm yourself and do it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 1. Hey, boy, you do Acharya. Acharya from class 6. Don't come back. Do your job. 1, 2. If the muscles of your cheeks are shaking, then you are doing it correctly. Just find out, eh? How louder? Lift your leg and bang on the ground. Together. The students who are standing last bench or last side, they are quite passive. Class 9, what happened to your voice? Yeah, class 5 students are quite active. Class 4 also. Class 7 girls be active? Okay, class 4 girls, move forward. Rest of others continue. Continue.
Come there you go. And then again come back, eh? Classic, wait, your classic, wait, eh? Your class one go. Okay, class 9 boys. No. No, don't follow them. You come front. Raju, you come here. They didn't know. They are just moving here and there.
नमस्कार मैम।